Someone in our ChPuppets Discord server recently asked the question how we get arms to go both in front of and behind our characters. Well, there's a very simple solution, and I'm going to walk you through it. Coming into Illustrator, it's all about our layering. I have a pair of arms behind my character in the body layer, and then in front of my character outside the body layer above the head. Coming over into Character Animator, I applied a limb IK to this topmost Lego brick, and then also on the left and right arms individually. The rigging is relatively simple. I'm going to create a swap set with 4 triggers. Once those are created, we're going to take our bottom left and right arm and drag them to trigger 4. Our top left and right arm, drag them to trigger 1. Our top left arm, our bottom right arm, drag it to trigger 2. Our top right arm and our bottom left arm and drag it to trigger 3. Making this latch and giving it hotkeys will allow us to do really cool things like this. If I position my arms both in front of and behind my character like this, you can see our arms go in front of and behind, but we can also alternate which one we see in front. This allows us to interact 360 degrees all the way around our character. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click that like and subscribe button for more ChPuppets Quick Tips.